Okay, so I just wrote this pretty simple little script, and what I want to do is the problem that I have that is I find annoying is that when I bring a mesh in from like Maya, I will do like an auto groups, and you end up with just a really kind of just a big mess. Like if I have a lot of pieces like this, I want to go through and create some nice polygroups so that I can isolate a section and tweak on it like that, whatever. Okay, so the script I wrote is going to help me do that when I bring pieces from Maya. And so what happens is let's see. Okay, so it's not totally automated. What I end up doing is I will have these couple meshes, and whatever, they'll be all separated or whatever, and so I go through and I combine them. I combine the pieces that I want to actually be mirrored in ZBrush. So like these combine. Alright, so that's basically what I've done through, and I've gone through here and I've combined all the pieces that I want combined, and they're not all like they're not all individual meshes. In some cases there's pieces that I want combined for other reasons, and then in other cases they're just one mesh. So basically you run my little script here and call it. Well, so what you want to do is you want to select. So here you can kind of see the result, but I'm actually going to delete the UVs so you can see everything. And what I have here is 63 different meshes. Okay, select them all, run the script, and you can see it's working. It's creating a bunch of projections, and this will ruin your UVs. This is not, this is basically what you're going to do is create all your UVs. It's going to create, go through each mesh, create a projection of a planar projection, and then scoot it down one UV space so that basically you can bring it back into ZBrush, and you bring it back into ZBrush, run the UV groups, and then all your groups will be, it'll create the polygroups based on the UVs. Let's see. So now I'm going to export this, delete, export. Back into ZBrush, and I'm going to delete this one. I'm going to import. Okay, so now I'll just do a polygroups, UV groups, and it's weird. I don't understand why it's just picking those two colors, but it is doing the thing that I want, and all my groups are isolated like they are in Maya. So that's gonna save me a fuckload of time, and that's good. Alright, that's it.